Alright, YouTube, so today we're back at it. Got a package that came in. I put a post online about tracking devices and stuff for equipment, keeping track of. My biggest concern was I wanted to be able to keep track of mileage of the equipment, maintenance records, and what else? If it's a truck, you know, all that stuff. And recently, since the ELDs have hit, one of my trucks runs an ELD, the other one don't. It's really nice knowing when the brokers call you if you ask you what kind of ETA you're looking at, where's the truck at, what's it doing. They get asking a lot more information. This system here on the software side of it, you can actually create a link, temporary link for them to actually track your vehicle, which is pretty cool. Kind of keeps the hassle off the driver. A lot more and more companies are wanting to use apps, which just ruin your battery. They aggravate you all the time. So this is kind of one of the things I'm hoping will solve that issue, where I can just make a link to them when we book the load. They can keep a track on the truck. They can see the truck going there to pick up the load, delivering it, all that stuff. So I ain't opened the box yet. Came in, I ordered it Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. Got here Friday, really quick. I'll kind of touch base with everything else, but the reason I went with this one is it does everything I want to do, and it's only $4 a month for the fee. You know, to keep track of it, the software side of things, which is very affordable compared to most. Most of them, the unit's a lot cheaper, but the subscription is a lot more, like $30, $35 a month. So this one being $4 a month makes it a lot more affordable long term. And replacement parts, it's got a battery inside of it and everything. They only $5 for the battery. So long term, I'm looking more long term on this. But we'll go ahead and get this thing opened up. I'm interested to see what's in it. Okay, a little note here saying I also bought the decoy lights too to go with these. Maybe by the title you'll figure out what. It's just an empty packaging box. Nothing in there. I went with the track light. So go ahead and get you over here, kind of show you what's going on. So got the adapters because of course most of your lighting on your back of your truck are different style. I mean, I think Grody, whatever, has a style like this. They're just really expensive lights. Most manufacturers don't use them, use that style. So I went ahead and have them send me some. Oh, he sent me adapters too. That's pretty cool. I can always cut those off and make them work. So yeah, how many did he send me? He sent me 2 of those. Let's see. No. 3, 4, 5, 6. They sent me 6 of those. He must have ran out. I figured I could use these. They also have these adapters that plug into your normal wiring and then adapt it, which is really cool. I just didn't know which adapter I needed, so I told him I can just wire them in. Not like it matters. So good deal. That's it back there in the back. Okay. Anytrek, it's Anytrek is what it is. That's who I went with. So there's the box. Let's go ahead and get you set back up over here. Fancy packaging, by the way. Really nice packaging. So, it's like buying jewelry or something. That's all it is a light. Ain't that fancy. So yeah, here's the light itself. Got a battery access here. Got the connector, you know, where you plug in your connector there. Looks really nice. Looks like it's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 LED light. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Looks like it's a 10 LED light mounted on. I can see through the clouds of housing here. Mounted on a stationary board. Look at the little flat square lights, not the old school LED that stick way out. Those are better. These are better because they're surface mounted, so vibration wise they last longer. The LEDs will last longer on the board. So that's that one. Let's see if we can get little bit harder to open. Put that to the side. Let me read this note again. Ah, okay. So the first one I showed you was the decoy. And you can see there's no, I mean, it looks just like it. We're going to have to open it up too just to see what's in there, but they call these decoy lights. And this one here has a sticker. You can see right there. And they weigh the same. I mean, that's pretty damn close. Looks just like them. I mean, it looks just like them. So that's very interesting. You got protective film on it, only a little difference. But that's why I went with the decoy, because you put them in, they look like normal lights. Everybody thinks they're all tracking lights. I guess if you take them out, they'll see there's something different with them. But you won't tell from the back. Decoy light, I paid around 14 bucks. These are like $2.50. If you buy a package deal, they're like $1.95 from the guy I got it from. I don't know if that's how it works for everybody, but yeah, you really can't tell. Pretty neat. And so that's that. I got 10 of them. Well, I got 10 total. I got 5 for 5 trailers is what I've got. Let's go ahead and take one apart. So this is the decoy light. There's the inside of the decoy light. Got a nice rubber gasket here, sealed against all this stuff to keep it all dry. Back side of the plate, I mean, that's where the battery would go. We'll open another one up, but decoy light has no battery, no goodness in it. Put this to the side. Alright, so I can already tell a piece of foam was behind it to keep the battery tight. And we got a battery in here. As you can see, looks like it's a 1800 watt. I had to tear that back a little bit to see it, but it's a 1800 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, which is good. Nice rubber gasket. Like I said, it's looks like they're soldered in, no clip in. There's a clip in here for easy change down at the bottom, so that's good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's, you know, way kind of, I'm not really caring about tracking as much as this maintenance records. People I rent my equipment out to, I usually keep, you know, I know them personally. As of right now, I know all of them personally. Know them for many years. Don't have no issues with that. My biggest thing is this, you know, keep an eye on mileage, wear and tear, wheel bearings, brakes, drums, all that stuff, and kind of knowing beforehand, before a piece of equipment comes in, know how wore out it's probably going to be. And then kind of track how long tires are lasting and all that. It's a lot harder on a piece of on a trailer than it is a tractor, because you know, the tractor has an odometer. The trailer does have an odometer. Digitally, you can get a hold of that with some software, but this will make it a lot easier for me to kind of keep in track of everything on a daily basis, monthly basis, most likely. But all right, so I had to go run back to the house and get a couple things, but got it all here in the hand. Got the adapter because this trailer does use that style plug. I wire wheeled all the silicone because the guy siliconed it on there. There's the plug. That's your normal light, in my opinion, normal light. Let's see if I can do all this. Just plugs in. They put grease, there's grease on here, I like the grease they put on there. Keep all that sealed. And that connector there just plugs into here. That's good and tight. Tuck all this into here. That's it. Just pop it in. Should be good to go. Look too bad. I'm gonna order some of these to match this side. I just got in there for now because the other one's all silicone in there. No point of having all that done. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Always hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.